Here's a 2014 Lexus ES350. Once you arrive on the scene in this luxury sedan, people will instantly know things about you. You are aggressive, assertive, and demand only the best. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, smart access key, manual tilting steering column, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. Experience it for yourself today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.